Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I am Zainurni Muhammad Janis, Head of Corporate Services Department, Sirim Sts Sdn Bhd. Sirim Sts Sdn Bhd, our expertise in training, consultation and standard development. And our services not only cover Klang Valley but throughout Malaysia. Let's hear from our team. But before I go, Salam Ramadan Al-Mubarak.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muniati. I am your representative from Sirim Sts Northern Region. We provide training and consultancy from Perak up to the northmost state in Perlis. All our trainings are claimable under HRDC SBL HAS grant. We provide training via online or come and join our classroom training exclusively in Northern Region. You can check the whole lots of our training and services at www.sirimsts.my. For inquiries, you can email to murni@sirim.my or just give a call at 04-5377-437. Salam Ramadan Al-Mubarak and have a nice day, guys. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Shahida, representative Sirim Sts for Southern Region. For your information, Sirim Sts offer you a variety courses in-house and public suitable in your daily work demand. For more information about our services, please visit our official website www.sirimsts.my. If you are in Johor Bahru, Melaka or Negeri Sembilan and you are interested or have any inquiry about our services, you can contact me at 017-798-0423 or you can email me at norshahida@sirim.my. For this upcoming Holy Ramadan, I want to take this opportunity to wish you Happy Ramadan Al-Mubarak. May Allah bless us and fill our heart with joy, peaceful and harmony. Bye.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Nuruzatulifa from Sirim Sts Sdn Bhd. I am representative for public courses, East Coast, Sabah Sarawak and Central Region. If you require further information relating to our training services, please visit our website at www.sirimsts.my or you can directly contact me at 0355445052 or email me to nuruzatul@sirim.my or also can contact us at with this upcoming Ramadan. I wish you a peaceful and joyful Ramadan and may Allah bless us this Ramadan. Thank you. Bye.